I'm shooting this video because I'm currently doing the course creation with Ellie, and I wanted to say a few words about how it's going. She's a total expert in her field. There's nothing that she doesn't know or hasn't experienced herself. She's very open and honest about the things she's had to deal with throughout her own success, and there's nothing that she won't do with regards to helping you out as well on the course. So whether you're a newbie and just starting out and don't have much knowledge on course creation, or you're quite an expert yourself, or you know some things, she will help you in any way that she can, whether it's technical or whether it's just scripting, or if it's just coming up with your ideas for your course. She's there for you. Doesn't matter what day it is, she will get back to you. She's very inviting, so if you've ever got any issues, she is the one that reaches out to you. And that was one thing that I found quite unusual, especially in the professional world, because she literally does give everything, and she wants you to succeed. She wants all of our groups to succeed, and it's the passion and the drive that you see in her and the kindness that she shows that really is the difference with tutors. She makes you feel so at ease that you don't feel silly about any questions that you ask. So literally you feel quite safe, and when you're in a safe environment, that's when you thrive. And she really does bring the best out in all of us. I've seen our group grow massively during this process, and we're not even near the finish yet. But I know that each one of us will end this course with an amazing course of our own, and that's as a result of Ellie's help and expertise. I would 150% just recommend her to anyone.